This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, make sure that you enabled the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then at the control panel, find and tap at the nearby share feature, or touch and hold at it rather. Once at the nearby share page, you can activate it through switching on this toggle. And well, at this point, the feature is more or less ready to be used, but there are quite a few more configurations that we can make. For example, you can rename your device, turn on and off the device visibility, as well as restrict it to only your devices, your contacts, or to, well, not restrict it at all. Just let your device be discoverable by whoever is in the range of this function. And then finally, you can, well, modify the data protocol or data mode that will be utilized for the file transfer. So now we are all set. Let's try to send or rather receive some file through the nearby share. So I happen to have another device on my hands. So let me quickly unlock it, take a screenshot. Then I will try sharing the screenshot via the nearby share feature. So here is my Samsung. So we'll send the connection request, then accept the file transfer at the receiver's end once it pops up. So tap at the accept option and wait for the image to get transferred and received, or well, just transferred in this case. Alrighty, so as you can see, that will be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.